Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a school of arts or we should say a theater WordPress theme which is named as OsTende. Let me show you how these themes exactly look. We will click on this live preview button and it will redirect us to the official website of the theme, and it will show us that how this particular theme is made up. Right, if you can see, this is very creative theme according to me, and the best part about it, this theme can be designed with the help of Elementor. As you can see on the sales page, this this theme is also compatible with Elementor, which is a really big deal, right? And the most amazing part, this theme is also consist of mobile optimization, which is a huge aspect when it comes to SEO. If your website is not mobile optimized, you don't get that much of return rates, right? So let me show you how you can download this theme for a really affordable price and install it on your WordPress website. Right now we are on the sales page of like Theme Forest, where it will show you this theme price is like $60 or something like that. But as you can see here, it is written this item is licensed 100% GPL. So GPL, what exactly is GPL? GPL is general public license. So we will try to get this theme for like GPL license. Here on our website you will see this theme will cost you around $10. Okay, I will come to this website, and once I'm logged in, it will show you that it's $10, something like that, and you just have to click on download now. And once you click on download now, the download process will start. So you just have to wait for the download completion. I already have downloaded this theme, so I will just cancel it. Click on cancel. So the next step is that we have to install this theme on our WordPress website, right? So you just have to come to your WordPress website. So currently I installed a fresh WordPress website on my local host. As you can see, it's on localhost. So you have to move to your back dashboard, then we will install the theme. So basically, if you don't know how to move to your dashboard, so the thing is you have to enter WP admin just after the URL or the domain name. I will enter WP admin, and it will ask you, if you're logging for the first time, it will ask you for the login details which you have filled while you were installing WordPress. Just log in your details and you will be redirected to the dashboard, right? So on the left hand side you will see multiple options like setting, tools, user, plugins. So right now we are dealing with the theme section, right? So you will find themes under the appearance and theme section. So click on themes, and here we have to upload this theme, right? You have to click on add new. Once you click on add new, you can see that there are multiple or n numbers of theme already available here. So let me tell you what exactly these are. These are the free themes provided by WordPress. So basically there are multiple things that you get in free themes and you get in paid themes. Free themes are like less comparatively good as compared to paid theme. Like free theme are very less optimized for mobile, and when it comes to AdSense, those conversion rate which you get on free themes are pretty low as compared to the paid themes. So I always suggest you, if you have a budget of buying some themes, always go for a paid theme, right? So that's it for about this. We will upload this theme. Click on upload and select the file. So here it is. We will click on this and open and click on install. I already have uploaded the file, so it will show an error. Okay, so no worries about it. Is on your side it will show activate button. Let me activate my theme. Let me show you how. I will activate my theme. So our theme has been activated successfully. Let me show you how our website looks right now. It's pretty simple footer, pretty simple header, and a sample content which WordPress generally provide by default, right? So first of all, whenever you install a new theme, you will see some kind of notification for recommended plugins. Let me explain you what it is. A theme consists of multiple functionalities, right? And if you want those functionalities to work properly, you need to have the theme which is connected to that particular functionality. Let me explain you. If there is a slider in the theme, you need to have a slider revolution plugin in your theme. Then and only the slider will work properly on your theme. So whenever a theme suggests you or gives you notification to install recommended plugins, never ever avoid or just slip that particular notification. Always install and activate all the plugins which has been suggested and recommended by the theme. So I will click on being activate, bulk action, activate, select all, and apply. The activation process generally take within 13 seconds, if I'm not wrong, because installation always take time, not the activation process. You just have to install the theme just as I activated all the plugins, and that's the pretty basic thing. So as you can see, all the plugins has been activated successfully. Let me check that all of them has been activated or not. Click on plugins, then you will came to know that how many plugins you have right now. So this is the setup wizard, I don't need that for now. Let me click on plugins and let's see. Yeah, our most of the plugin has been activated successfully, and right now 15 active plugins. So our next step is to import a demo content on this website. As you can see, this the demo content from the theme. This is the demo content, and we are going to import this on our website. So basically you have to come to appearance, and here you will find install demo data. Click on that, or generally you can just click here, one click import demo data. That would be way more simpler. Let it load and I will show you how we can import everything with like one single click. That's super simple. You don't have to do much of a hassle work in this. So once the import page has been opened, you just have to click on this whole import section. So with the help of this setting, the website will be importing whole the data including content, images, and all the setting. You just have to click on start import, and this is the best time to grab the coffee and wait for a couple of minutes to get the full version of the website up and running on your domain. So let's wait for it. So as you can see, import has been successfully finished. So let me show you how our website was looking earlier. It was something like this. So let me refresh this website and let's see how the import has worked. Click on refresh, and here we go. It's still loading. Wait. Just wait for a couple of minutes, right? So here we go. The whole exact demo content has been imported on our website, which is really amazing, right? If you can see, you will get our actors section, a credit section, and a beautiful footer also with a map. And the best part about it is you can edit the whole page with Elementor. You can edit footer, credit, guest. You can edit literally everything. You just need to click on edit with Elementor, and it will move you to the Elementor interface where you can drag and drop and edit anything, whatever you want according to your needs. Let it load. I will explain you something. So as you can see, you are on the interface of Elementor. Here you can change anything, whatever you want to change, right? If you want to change this show featured, or if you want to change this get with the program, or I will type something like do subscribe our channel. Isn't that great? Super simple. Or if you just want to change it from here, you can just clear all the things and type anything or whatever you want to change, right? That's super simple. Elementor interface are really great if you talk about it. Or if you really need to get a full video about Elementor, just do let me know in the comment section. I will make a full brief video about Elementor. So that was about this particular theme. I hope you don't have any kind of doubt related to this theme. That was a pretty simple installation if I talk about it. So if you're still not sure about that this theme will work fine for your business or not, I will suggest you just come to our website and get this theme for like $10 and just try and test it out. If you don't like it and you still feel that this theme isn't worth your money, you can just get 7 days money back guarantee. Isn't that great? Or the best thing about this website is that if you are running a WordPress agency, or if you're running a WordPress agency, or you are like a freelancer WordPress developer, you can just get our membership plan, with the help of which you will get a lot of benefits. Let me show you what our membership plan offers you, right? If you come here down on the page, you will see the plan of bronze plan of $249 for 5 years. Like you will get the access of all the themes and plugin from this website for 5 years, and you will be able to download 3600 items per year. And the best part about it, this website has more than over 5,000 WordPress plugin and themes, which is totally insane, right? And if you don't have that much of budget to invest right now, you can just come here and buy the monthly plan for $29, in which you will be able to download 300 items per month, which is also a great deal according to me. So with that being said, I just want to wrap this video up. I hope you really like this video. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one.